For over 25 years, Cimatron has been a leading provider of integrated CAD/CAM solutions for toolmakers and manufacturers of discrete parts. Cimatron's integrated solution for die makers covers the entire die making process from quoting to design through engineering changes all the way to NC and EDM programming. In this demonstration, we will show you how Cimatron provides the die-making expert with the ideal mix of automation and user control to help you design the strip for manufacturing this part. The part we have chosen for this demonstration represents some demanding challenges faced by die makers. We will begin by opening the Die Wizard. You can import a part file from any major CAD system and in any format. Cimatron provides one of the strongest translation packages in the market. An intuitive wizard gives you the flexibility to create a strip of a single part, two mirror parts, or two totally different parts. In this demo, we will create a part and its mirror. We will now focus on forming the first part. Cimatron offers powerful built-in finite element analysis tools to perform real-time thickness and safety zone analysis, predicting potential failure areas in the model. These tools are always accessible from within the system, allowing for instant analysis of any modification made to the part at any point in time. The part we use in our example requires a 3D carrier. You can easily create a 2D or 3D carrier using Cimatron's Rich Surfaces package. Cimatron's intuitive working environment offers powerful wireframe surfacing and solid functionalities, all readily available to complete any job to the highest standard. We will now copy the master in order to begin forming the necessary shapes for each station. For purpose of speed and ease of use, we perform all operations on a skin model. As a full hybrid system, converting back to a solid model is just as easy and a click of a button away. Here is an example of one of the many powerful tools we have embedded in the system to make your work easier and save you time. A dedicated automated function allows you to round the corners on this set of surfaces in just a single mouse click. The system provides immediate feedback on the screen to the actions you take. In the following station, we would like to flatten both sides of the part without impacting the rest of the part. However, we see that we will not be able to perform this operation without bending the carrier first. We have therefore decided to bend the carrier in this station. We will perform the bending operation in only a few clicks, as can be seen here with the aid of embedded wireframe functions. In order to be able to easily follow the process and facilitate communication in the toolshop, we will now color code the part by assigning different colors to each face based on the operation that would be performed in this station. This intelligent color coding contains much more information than just color and includes data and attributes that facilitate automation in the tool creation at a later stage. Having bent the carrier, we now copy the shape to create a new station to perform the desired flattening of the sides. The geometry we are dealing with here is rather complex, but the auto blank on binder function will help us flatten the right side of the part at incredible ease and speed. After selecting the fixed and form faces, a single mouse click activates the function, providing an accurate result in a few seconds. The left side is even more complicated to flatten. Defining the boundaries of the object can be a tedious, time-consuming and costly task with other systems involving a lot of trial and error. With Cimatron, a simple combination of manual and automatic operations helps us deal with this complicated case very quickly and accurately. First, we remove the object to be flattened. We will now extend the faces using the powerful embedded surfacing capabilities. The dimple will be extended using wireframe and surfacing operations. With Cimatron, it is easy to create a 3D contour using our leading wireframe technology developed specifically for toolmakers. We are now ready to activate the automatic blank on binder function that is fully embedded in the system. With a single mouse click, the system calculates and cuts the contour to perfection. That's it. So fast and easy, and providing an accurate and reliable result means you can now deal with any geometry and finish any job. We are now color coding the part to show the operation we will perform in the next station. In the next station, we will activate the automatic unbend function. We will begin by unbending the carrier and continue with unbending the non-dimpled faces in order to achieve the highest accuracy. The unbend function can unfold a geometry to any angle. In this case, we aimed for a 180-degree angle. As we can see, the automatic unbend function delivered only a partial result, and manual intervention is required to complete the task on the dimple. This is where the dedicated embedded CAD aid tools come in handy to complete the task quickly and successfully. Cimatron's unique import by reference function enables us to copy the rounded faces from the model on the previous station and place it onto the model on the right. At a click of a button, the copied geometry would automatically align itself to its desired place on the new model, taking into consideration the deformation that occurred to the part between the previous station and the new one. This is a good place to point out Cimatron's true solid surface hybrid environment, saving you precious time and helping you perform otherwise complicated operations with speed and ease. To save time, we will mirror copy the result achieved on the left. A beautiful result is attained in seconds. Cimatron guarantees that regardless of the complexity of the part, you would never get stuck and would always be able to complete the job to the highest standard. Cimatron covers all routine operations by applicative tools designed to increase productivity and make your work more enjoyable. One such example is the time-saving function dedicated to closing holes. It's as easy as pick a hole and close it in 2 mouse clicks. We now want to flatten the sections of the part marked in yellow. We have the flexibility to use different functions, and we will demonstrate 3 alternatives to perform the task. First, we will focus on 2 dimples in the center of the part and remove them with a single mouse click. Then close them with a flat face. The next 3 dimples will be flattened out using the built-in blanking functionality, which is always available from within the toolbar.